Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Piggy character. This time it's going to be an awesome looking golden piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is actually very similar to the angel piggy. Alright, so we're going to begin with the head shape first, which is just going to be one big circle. So this will be, a relatively simple drawing. It's not too much detail to it. Alright, and then from this circle, go to the center of this circle. You can make a little dot, and then this is going to be the top of the snout. So I'm going to draw a circle coming down, almost all the way to the bottom. So that's going to be the snout, and then to finish up the nostrils, go to the center again, just come out to the side. Let's draw one circle and then draw one more on the other side. Alright, and then now for the eyes, we can go at an angle right here, whatever space you have right here. Let's draw a circle. And same thing here. Okay, and then now for the ears. So just come to the corner of this eye, just go up, make a little point. Come to about the center of this, come out, make another point. So this is going to be the beginning and the end. Points for the ear. So I'm just going to curve around. Okay, so let's draw the same thing on the other side. Same thing here, halfway. And just whatever you draw in here, just try to use it as a reference. So you can draw it kind of symmetrically. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on down to the body. So we're going to draw in the arm with the sword first, because it's going to be in the foreground, and then we'll draw in the rest of the body. So right here, I'm just going to draw 2 little lines right here. This is going to be the shoulder area. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. This is going to be the inside of the arm. Come back right here to the shoulder. Curve down. Come down. This is going to be the wrist. And then now I'm just going to draw the hand. Just give it a little bump right here and come down. So it's going to be holding the sword. And then now whatever space you have here, this is going to be the back of the hand. Just come down. Just round it out. Okay, and then once we have this hand, we're going to draw in the sword. So let's draw in 2 curves, going out, come back in, just give it a slight curve. And then now we're going to draw a sword going across, and it's going to be a little bit wider at the tip. So come out almost all the way here. So it's gonna be going out pretty far. All right, and then once we're here, we can close it off, make it nice and sharp. Alright, so that's the sword, and now we can draw in the body. So I'm going to continue with this side right here. Just curve down, keep going down behind the sword. And then on this side, same thing here, just kind of right behind the hand, curve out. And then now whatever space you have here, just kind of close it off. Just come down a little bit and just close it with a wavy line. And then right on these little corners right here, we can add in some lines for the folds. Alright, and then let's see, for the other hand, it's going to be behind the sword. So I'm just going to come down from the shoulder. I'm going to add a little bump right here, so it looks like the thumb is kind of holding on to the sword. And then lastly, for the handle of the sword, we can add just one little bump on the end right here. Okay, so that's the body, and now for the wings. And the wings are very easy to draw. I'm going to start on the side right here. Just curve out to right around the middle of the circle. And now I'm going to come out. I'm going to curve up again. Make this a little bit sharper, just come back down. So we're just drawing a kind of like a tube. And then connect to this. Same little angle. Okay, so sharper on the tip. Just come back in. Alright, so now for the feathers inside, I'm just gonna start right here. Just curve, just kind of follow the same curve. And as I go down here, it's gonna be getting smaller and smaller. 3, 4. And then if there's a little bit of space right here, I'm just gonna fill it up. Okay, so same thing here. Let's curve. So that's gonna be 1. Start down here, so it's getting smaller and smaller. 2. And the spacing might be a little bit different, but that's okay for each side. So this one, I'm just gonna close it off. And that is it for this golden piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.